in Grau Sea and on the Antarctic continent. The history of the sea is written with science and technology. BAP Carrasco, an oceanographic ship with polar capacity and a crew of 110 on board today. Made for science with the latest construction and scientific equipment, capable of developing scientific investigation within our maritime dominion and Antarctica with every one of its capacities. The BAP Carrasco is the most advanced scientific vessel in the region and one of the best in the world, and it's available to the national and international scientific communities. Brave, navigating constantly in the roughest seas. Design, environmentally friendly diesel-electric propulsion with up to a 6,000-ton displacement. Science, with the latest hydrographic and oceanographic equipment and 8 versatile laboratories. The BAP Carrasco is equipped with a deep-water multi-beam echo sounder for registering data with a depth of up to 11,000 meters, producing 3D images of the ocean floor. A scientific echo sounder of fish for monitoring and identifying marine biomass, in use for the first time in the Peruvian and Antarctic seas. 2 autonomous submarines that navigate in real time from the BAP Carrasco, with a depth of up to 3,000 meters and a capacity to operate 64 hours, collecting data from the sea and ocean floor. A carousel water sampler equipped with the integrated CTD to take samples and collect data from the ocean from a depth of up to 5,000 meters. Wave gliders for meteorologic and oceanographic studies in real time with a duration of up to 6 months with solar panels, wave sensors, and GPS. A Falcon Rogue DR, an unmanned robotic submarine operating by remote control that permits visual inspection of the ocean floor, pipelines, docks, and mooring structures, among other things. A piston corer to extract sediment samples from the ocean floor and subsoil that can penetrate up to 18 meters into the ocean floor and carry out different studies in the field of marine geology at a depth of 5,000 meters. A magnetometer that, by means of registering magnetic anomalies, identifies the presence of objects and natural resources on the ocean floor and in the subsoil. A sub-bottom profiler that uses low frequencies to penetrate the ocean floor to determine irregularities in the ocean floor and subsoil up to 11,000 meters. The BAP Carrasco acquires and processes data in the deepest unexplored zones of the ocean to the benefit of the national and international scientific community. The BAP Carrasco not only operates in the Antarctic, its principal task is the scientific investigation in Peruvian waters to the benefit of various state institutions. It addresses the areas of physical, chemical, biological, and geographical oceanography, hydrographic survey, and marine meteorology. It stands out by possessing a dynamic positioning system that employs advanced precision GNSS receptors, bow and stern thrusters, which permits the ship to maintain an established geographic position during investigative tasks. A helicopter hangar and pad that has an S-band radar, a visual system for landing helicopters, and an independent air-band communication system. Two high-speed rigid-hull inflatable boats for search and rescue. 3 cranes for loading and unloading material. Accommodations for 110 people, including crew and scientists, with an area suitable to generate the well-being of the personnel during long excursions, with bunks distributed correctly for everyone. There are internal, external, and satellite communication systems to facilitate efficient operations. Scientific networks with the latest technology for taking precise samples. This investigative platform permits us a better scientific understanding of our maritime dominion. The results are extremely relevant for the prevention, conservation, and exploration of our renewable and non-renewable resources and consequent sustainable management. One of the principal destinations is the Antarctic region, whose waters traverse during the southern summer. In addition, it carries logistic support for the Peruvian Antarctic Scientific Station, Machu Picchu, located on the island of St. George. This important labor of the BAP Carrasco ratifies the commitment of the Peruvian state as a member of the Antarctic Treaty with scientific investigation. In this way, it contributes new knowledge about this crucial continent and its relation to climatic equilibrium and the marine ecosystem. The BAP Carrasco opens its doors to scientists the world over to investigate together within the scientific community, the Antarctic Investigation Committee, of which Peru is a member. The next horizon of the BAP Carrasco will continue to be science, and with it, the preservation of the ocean for all time. BAP Carrasco, the ultimate horizon.